Welcome to my channel.
Today I am going to say more question of CSR Net about countability. First question, which of the following set is countable? At first, let's see the second option. The set of all function from Q to 0, 1. We all of us know cardinality of n and q are same. That means cardinality of q equal to aleph naught. Here I have told the set of all function from q to 0, 1. That means the set look like f such that f from q to 0, 1. Okay. This set must be uncountable because 2 to the power aleph naught equal to always c. Okay. So, second option wrong. Now come to the first option. The set of all function q to q. Second function, that means f such that f from q to 0, 1 always subset equal to f such that f from q to q, and this set must be uncountable because this set is uncountable. And this is the superset. If any subset is uncountable, then the superset must be uncountable. So, option first is also uncountable. So, this is also wrong. Now come to fourth option. The set of all subset of natural number. We all of us know this is equal to power set of natural number. And power set of natural number is always c. So this is also wrong. Let's see the third option. The set of all function q to 0, 1 which vanishes outside a finite set. I will prove this. Let's see. This is domain. This is codomain. This is finite set. Let us name it alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n. Here have told the set of all function q to 0, 1 which vanishes outside a finite set. That means outside this, here 0 and 1, outside this image will be 0 and this subset, the image of this subset will be 1. Okay. If I want to collect such function depends totally on finite set. Because if we change the finite set, this is the function f. For here the finite set beta 1, beta 2, beta n. Here the codomain 0, 1. Then the image of the finite set will be 1 and the rest of image will be 0. These two functions are different. Let us denote this function g. If you change the element of the finite set, you will get different function. Number of function depends on number of finite set. Okay? And we all of us know the theorem. For a countable set, number of finite set is always countably infinite. So, option 3 always true. Okay, right. My next question is, which of the following set is uncountable? And if I look second option, it says x belongs to R such that cos x to the power n plus sin x to the power n equal to 1 for some n belongs to natural number. Okay. If I take n equal to 2, then the set becomes x belongs to R such that cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. Okay. And this identity is true for all x belongs to R. And this is always equal to, that means real line. And we all of us know real line is uncountable. So, option 2 is right. Okay. Now coming to first, third and fourth option. For first option, x belongs to R such that log x equal to p over q for some pq belongs to natural number. Third option, x belongs to R such that x equal to log p over q for some pq belongs to natural number. And the fourth option is x belongs to R such that cos x equal to p over q for some pq belongs to natural number. Okay. That means from first option log x equal to p over q. Third option x equal to log p over q, which I can write e to the power x equal to p over q. My third option is cos x equal to p over q. And we need to find such x. Okay. We all of us know this is the graph of log x. And log function is increasing function. So, there is one-to-one corresponds between given set and set of rational number. So, this set not uncountable, it is must be countable. Okay, since rational number is countable. And third option is, since e to the power x equal to p over q, and this is the graph of exponential function. Exponential function is always increasing function. So, there is one-one corresponds between the given set and set of rational number. Since set of rational number is countable, so third option is also wrong option. Okay. Fourth option is cos x equal to P over Q. We all of us know cos function is periodic function. So within period there is one corresponds between the given set and set of rational number, and it also can be extended the real line. Okay, so this function, that means option 4, also countable. So only true option is second option. Okay.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video benefited you. For more video, do subscribe my channel.